This is a 2020 Jeep Gladiator.
Are you not entertained?
But did you know that the Jeep Gladiator's road to the dealership was a long and winding one? Did you know that the Gladiator first made an appearance all the way back in 2005 as a concept vehicle? Bet you didn't. So that's why...
What are you doing?
Your old job.
What's going on, guys? Mike DeWalt at DeWalt Chrysler here with a quick video to let you guys know that we are revamping our Facebook page. We're going to be posting some great content. I'm Batman. Nobody else can do
Hey, I'm the Jeep voice guy from the video where we showed you how to take your Jeep Wrangler roof off in 10 easy steps. You can watch that video, link in the description below. To celebrate Jeep's 80th anniversary, we wanted to take you back through time to check out some of the coolest Jeep concepts that never were, starting with this one. It was called the Hurricane, and it's a concept from 2005. More like the love child of a dune buggy and a Jeep Wrangler JK, it had not one, but two 5.7 Hemi V8s for a whopping total of 670 horsepower. The Hurricane also boasted 37-inch tires, a 64-degree approach angle, and an 86.7-degree departure angle. Insane! But the real showstopper was the Hurricane's ability to trek through trails like a crab. They should have just called it the Jeep Crab. Then you could tell your friends you have crab. In 2015, Jeep debuted this retro-styled Jeep Chief concept as a throwback to the 70s Jeep Wagoneer. The Chief was designed with that California surf lifestyle in mind. It was built on a Wrangler platform, a carved wood shifter, a tiki toy on the dash, and stickers all over the interior all added to the Chief's charm, even if it was somewhat tacky. Of course though, the Wagoneer of the 70s is making a comeback, because for 2022, Jeep is set to release both the Grand Wagoneer and Wagoneer. And lastly, in 2004, when the car manufacturers were all about getting smaller and hydrogen-powered concepts and designs were a thing, Jeep went small and hydrogen-powered with the Jeep Trio. This two-seater plus one in the back was intended as the Jeep built for the streets of Tokyo. It was also electric, powered by two motors, one on each axle, that used a hydrogen fuel cell for power. Basically, the Trio came from the Daimler era, when Jeep's parent company was part-owned by Daimler AG, who are most famous, of course, as the company behind Mercedes and the smart car.
And there you have it, 3 cool Jeep concepts. Of course, there are some honorable mentions, like the 2016 Jeep Trailcat that featured the supercharged 6.2 Hemi, or my personal favorite, the 1990 Jeep Freedom concept that was basically an old Cherokee convertible. But what are some of your favorite Jeep concepts from over the years? Let us know in the comments below, and see you next time.